Hello, I'm Darren. Just look at these beautiful canna lilies. They've got this beautiful tropical flower and lovely tropical foliage. I love them. I've grown these in the UK, but it's a bit colder out there and usually you have to store them away in the winter. And they just love this beautiful Australian weather, they thrive. But what I found is they do better in pots. You put some in the ground and they don't grow as tall and get to their full potential. So this one here, this was in the ground and you can see the size difference. So what I'm going to do today, I'm going to put it in this pot and give it a new home. So I'll start with some compost. This is a local company, local to us in NSW. I always like to use local companies if I can. Just going to pour that in the bottom. There we go, mix that around. And then I've got some pelleted manure, chicken manure. This is organic and it's got the sweet smell of success. And it's no nasty chemicals and the plants love it. I'm just going to tip some of that in. As you can see, I've got my gloves on, always important. I'm just going to work that into the soil because these are quite hungry plants. And what I want to do, I want to get the level, that's just about right actually, Kylie. I want to get the level so that the level of the plant there is level with the pot, just at the top like that. I'm just going to fill that in with some compost. So get it straight in the middle, like that. And then I'm going to backfill with some more compost. That's it, I'm just going to work that round. Like that. Just needs a little bit more there, just to bring it up to the level of the pot there. There we are. Give that a shake. And that's ready. Look at that. I'll put it with its friends over here. There you are.